The word stock market sounds like this super complicated thing, like something only Wall Street types understand, right? But honestly, it's not. And today, I'm going to break it down for you so it makes sense because it's something we all can and maybe even should be part of. Imagine a time-traveling business adventure. Okay, picture this. It's the 16th century, and there's this company called the Dutch East India Company. They wanted to send huge ships all over the world to trade stuff like gold, spices, and silk. Sounds amazing, right? But sending these ships was super expensive. Like seriously, super expensive. So what did they do? They had a brilliant idea. Instead of just the super rich funding everything, they went to regular folks, like you and me, and said, hey, want to invest a little money in our next voyage? If the ship comes back with a ton of treasure, you get a cut of the profits. Guess what? People loved it. They'd buy these little shares of a voyage in coffee houses and at the docks. This wasn't just about making money. It was about being part of something huge, a grand adventure. And boom, just like that, the world's first stock market was born. Pretty cool, huh? It was all about regular people helping fund big ventures and sharing in the success. Now, the question is, how companies go public today? Fast forward to now, and the basic idea is exactly the same, just a bit more organized. Let's say our friend Salim here has an amazing new coffee company. His coffee is seriously the best, and he wants to open more cafes and maybe even start selling his beans online. But he needs a lot of cash to do that. Finding the big guns. First, Salim might go to some big investment firms or wealthy individuals. If they think her coffee company is a brilliant idea, they'll put in a big chunk of money to get things rolling. The grand entrance, the IPO. This initial money helps Salim's company get ready for its initial public offering, or IPO. Think of it as the company's big debut on the main stage. Now, it's your turn. Once the IPO happens, shares of Salim's coffee company are available to everyone on the stock market. And that means anyone, yes, even you, even me, even our buddy Ahmed over there, can buy a piece of this company. When you buy a share, you're not just buying a piece of paper, you literally become a part owner of that coffee company. Your money helps Salim grow his business, hire more people, and brew even more delicious coffee. The push and pull of value. So, you've bought a few shares in Salim's awesome coffee company. Next, this is where it gets interesting, and it's all about supply and demand. When things are brewing hot. If Salim's company is doing super well, making tons of money, and everyone's raving about his coffee, more and more people will want to buy his shares. When lots of people want something, what happens to the price? It goes up. So your shares become more valuable, and you've made a profit. This extra interest also shows Salim's company is rocketing in value, helping them even more when the coffee gets cold. But what if Salim's company hits a snag? Maybe a competitor opens a huge new chain right next door, or the price of coffee beans skyrockets. If investors start to worry that the company's value might drop, they might start selling their shares to avoid losing money. Selling than buying, the price of the shares goes down. This means your investment could lose value. This constant up and down is why the stock market is so dynamic. It's influenced by everything from the economy, to new inventions, to even how good a company's leadership is. It's essentially a giant popularity contest reflecting how much faith people have in a business. Why this isn't just for the big-shot investors anymore. Now, I know this might still sound a bit complex, or maybe like something only financial gurus on TV talk about. But here's the truly awesome part. It's not. Thanks to the internet and all the new apps out there, investing is way more accessible than ever before. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. Even with a small amount of money and a willingness to learn, you can own a piece of companies you genuinely believe in. Love Apple. Invest in it. Think renewable energy is the future? Put your money there. Grow your money over time. While trying to get rich quick in the stock market is super risky and often doesn't work, investing for the long term is one of the most powerful ways to build real wealth and secure your future. Hit your personal money goals. Whether you're saving for a house down payment for your kids' college or just to have a comfy retirement, investing can seriously help you get there faster. The stock market is a tool for financial freedom. It's about understanding how businesses succeed and how you can join them on that journey. So the first, most important step? It's just to start learning and then maybe, just maybe, take that leap and start investing in your future. Any questions? What do you guys think you want to invest in first?